Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to take this ladder thing that I found at a thrift store. I got it for $1. And I'm going to pull off all of this stuff. The berries that were wrapped on this were all like faded, and they actually, some of the color of them came off onto the wood. So I'm just pulling it all out with a pair of pliers and getting that all out of there. I ended up throwing that away, but I did save the stars and the home sweet home sign that was on here. Once I have this all pulled apart, I gave it a quick little sand down before going to the next step because, like I said, those colors kind of bled onto the wood itself. So once I had all of that off, and sanded it, I'm going to take my antique wax, and I just went over it to kind of cover up some of that color, but also to darken up the wood because it had been really faded. So I'm just using my little applicator here and just adding the antique wax on top, making sure that I get in all the little edges. I even did the sides, and I hit the back really quick as well. And you can see the big color difference. It just really brings out that dark. And once that was fully dry, I'm going to take this sign from Dollar Tree. And it says, "Bless our nest." And there's like birds on it. And again, I'm just going to kind of pull this all apart. I do save the beads when I pull these off and the tassel. So once I had all of those off, I'm going to pull out all the little staples in the back. And these are really cute. They just came out. I just saw them for the first time at my Dollar Tree the other day. So like I said, just take those staples out of the back. And I'm going to put one on each part of this. So I'm going to put one at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. So it's going to be kind of just the way it was set up on the sign. I'm going to put the "Bless our nest" in the center. So I'm going to put those two birds up top, those two birds at the bottom, and that one in the middle. So I'm just going to take my hot glue gun and put some glue on the edges of each and then glue it down. And I'm going to repeat that process for all three of them. So just putting the glue down, then putting that in, trying to make sure I get it as centered as I can. Once I have those all glued on there, I'm going to take some greenery. And this is just greenery that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I just cut the bush apart. And I'm cutting off the little ends that stick onto the bush so that they lay flatter. I'm going to put some hot glue in the center here. I'm going to add 2 sprigs on each side. And then just hold those for a second while the glue sets. Kind of getting them in the position that I want them in. Once I have those glued on there, I'm going to grab these yellow flowers. And I picked yellow for the colors that are in the signs itself from Dollar Tree. And I took 3 of those little heads of the flowers. I cut them off of a pick from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to glue 3 of those onto the center of this greenery. And then I'm going to repeat that process on this other one as well. So again, just cutting those bumpy pieces off the bottom here so that they lay flatter. Put some glue in the center. Glue down all of my sprigs. And then I'm going to add those yellow flowers in the center once that glue sets. And like I said, I just cut the heads of the flowers off the pick from Dollar Tree. And again, just adding those 3 to the center. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute. You could do this on one of the long boards from Dollar Tree. You could find something similar at a thrift store that you could make over. But overall, I think this project turned out so super cute, and it absolutely screams spring. And I love anything with birds on it. So this was one of my favorites. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.